only dry.
Yeah?
Good. I see things.
I saw something. Lori. I saw Laura.
I'm seeing
Lori.
Look, I know it's not really her, but there's gotta be a reason. It's gotta mean something.
Was it her on the phone?
The people you were talking to today, that was Amy, Jim, Jack.
Lori, what do you want from me?
Dead?
I can't help you! Get out! Get out!
It's all good.
What are you doing? Hey, easy, Rick. There's no need.
You don't belong here! Get out! Please! Get out!